Hi, I'm Daisy and I'm a clarinetist in Harmony Cymru.
Hi, I'm Will and I'm the guitarist in Harmony Cymru.
Hi, I'm Vicky and I'm the flautist of Harmony Cymru.
Hi, and I'm Lindsay, and as you can see, I'm the harpist at Harmony Cymru.
We are a group of health board volunteers supporting patients in the University Hospital of Wales by performing live music in the wards.
So we started working together in August this year, and so far we've been visiting the University Hospital of Wales, and we've been visiting many wards and playing live music for the staff and patients.
So we've been coming in to play on a weekly basis and have been really developing some great relationships with the staff and the patients on the wards we visited and played on. And we've had some great feedback so far. One story that I remember is we had one doctor come and ask if we could play a particular song that was a favourite of one of the patients, but we didn't have the score, so the doctor found that for us and then created a big sing-along in the ward.
Yeah, that was amazing. We've also had nurses dancing around the wards and singing along, so even the staff would get involved, so it's been amazing.
There was one gentleman that has a harmonica and has been playing along with us and has been practicing pieces with another person on the ward to sing along. It's great as well.
So we're going to continue to visit on a weekly basis, and as Christmas is approaching, we've already started preparing some Christmas tunes for the staff and patients, so we're going to have a really awesome time doing that. We might even be wearing some Christmas decorations on our week leading up to Christmas, so yeah.